Hello, today we are at Cantornet. My name is Arthur Arborista. I've been climbing trees for 20 years. I have 3 degrees. My whole life is about trees. I work with the International Research Center, CIRAD, and INRAE. I work with biologists, and currently in Ibiza for a year, there is a pest insect called the Tomicus. This pest insect enters through the treetops.
You see, and it will slowly go down. And in 7 months, I repeat, in 7 months, it will kill the tree. The tree will end up like this.
It will eat the entire living part. It will pierce it and infect all the other trees. So, if you don't inject the trees right away, your trees will die. We have state-of-the-art systems and natural products. So we inject a plug, apply 3 bars of pressure, and it will rise in 21 days. We have an entire system. We can also add nutrients to save your trees. In any case, it must be done. Otherwise, it will already cost you more because the trees will need to be cut down. And besides, trees need to be preserved because they are the lungs of the planet. Here we see a tree that has been infected by the Tomicus and has infected all the other trees. The trees are slightly yellow. Normally, a tree should be green. This means it is infected and injections need to be done. The insect that infects the trees is here. Look, it's very small. And these are the larvae. Okay, so a tree like this poses a very, very high fire risk, and it has already infected all the others. When we are in this situation, all the trees must be injected immediately. If we don't inject the trees immediately, all these trees will dry out in 7 months. So here we have manual equipment. We can add nutrients, and we can apply the product to kill the insects. These are natural products. We can apply exactly the right dose for the tree, depending on the type of tree, with automatic machines. And then we have tree monitoring, where we take photos. For example, here is a citrus tree that is infected. To have monitoring, we also send the insects to biologists, and we can also do counts by drone. So there you go. We really need to save the forest, and I strongly advise you to inject your trees immediately. That's it.
That was the lab. It's 5 a.m. Either we record the birds or we take samples for different experiments. We are in cultivation, we conduct tests, and we see where it comes from. We should put on some music now, right? Because he's dancing.